Blessed. This is Starseed once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. You are the mix up and thing. Yeah. Alright. So today now we are going to talk about this topic you now, seeing where it called name Neighborhood Watch. Seeing? Yeah. We're going to talk about Neighborhood Watch. Because I don't think some people understand what is Neighborhood Watch. You call them snitch. You walk one now. You know your neighbor no all live together, see? And a person sight you, probably I look through him window and see you a burn a spliff. He call the police. Police come, you're under arrest. What type of foolish thing them are? Them think they're not right. Let me tell you something when I call Neighborhood Watch, let me tell you what is Neighborhood Watch. You see, when you see a new guy rolling in a building and coming out a neighborhood can live, seeing, and you see when man move up nice and thing like everything good, everybody feel good, and then 1 week after that they hear say Uncle John lose 5 goat, and the following week a cow gone. By a month me hear say she can't miss out at that you call name Neighborhood Watch. So who not for watch or no not watch? Seeing? On a plug in like TV, on a turn off. Me say on a plug in like TV, on a turn off. Me say, yo, let me tell you something. Stop mind people business. Stop watch your own business. The amount of business when you have piled up, you know things that you can handle no more. Don't do it. It don't look good. Me say it don't look good. You understand what me I say? When you see a man a do him thing, love him. Him not commit no crime, he not kill nobody, love the man. You would love if somebody do that to you? Eh? That's not nice. Get yourself together, man. Don't do it. Grow up, be a man. Be gentle. Ladies, you understand what I say? I could build a vibes and show them so we can make a bigger step. Don't do it. It's not looking properly. Not nice. You understand what I say? Yeah. So when you talk about Neighborhood Watch, and a man a build a little vibes and thing, you want to take away that from him? Eh? Don't do that, yeah, man. Big up yourself. It's Starseed once again. You hear? Alright. Out.